Welcome to the Infinite Academy. Let us read vocabulary words, set 3. Do you know the words given in this video are connected to our short stories? Reading these words will help you to read our short stories more confidently. So here we go. Gr, in, grin. Look at his grin. Baby, baby. Look at this cute baby. Ib, crib. The baby is sitting inside its crib. Hands. We have 2 hands. Stands. She stands straight. Ow. Found. The page is not found. Pinned. The paper is pinned. Yummy. This food is yummy. Fishes. Look at the colorful fishes. Pack. I don't know what is there in this pack. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.